We created the ZEUS SDI Supply Chain Guidebook to evangelize and democratize data for everybody. The amount of data being generated by all of us every day is tremendous, yet most of us aren't specially trained to understand data. That doesn't stop our bosses from asking us to do data analysis, right? So the ZEUS Supply Chain Analytics Guidebook enhances data literacy by breaking down the key operational metrics and KPIs. The idea is that anyone in any role can look up and research any KPI. Understanding data and how these metrics are calculated and how they're related can help us better understand our workflows, understand how we're being measured, and better anticipate issues so we can act before an issue occurs because we've already seen the indicator upstream. Hey, something's going to happen. Address it now before it gets worse.